Yeah, you know. Them nice. So it is. And them work you going with over here?
Yeah, man. Nothing now go on for badness. Yes, so the thing they now.
Well, this is a pleasant surprise. King man, all of them something you going here, so?
Yeah, and more. Because this man is also a budding farmer and a beat maker, a real bona fide producer.
What you said to me? We don't have to think twice then, King man. We just need to get started.
Gentlemen, when you hear that, all systems are go. And see Miss Crystal over there moving like she born from a boombox.
So, Mr. Hittis, tell me now, what the price them fit the items them we have? Because like all me now, would I want a belly chain with a bracelet, you know, something with all the name in it, something like this.
Yeah, man. They have all prices there.
Right.
Like the one that they say you're holding and a $5 US dollar.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Not most price. Yes. Yeah, man. You want me lucky too? Yes, sir. Yes. Just the right thing for you, miss.
What was all this look? Wait, no man, try luck.
Mr. Major.
Yes, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Detective Paul Anderson here.
Hi, Detective. How are you?
I'm not too bad, are you?
No complaints.
Alright, good. Question. Have you pinpointed the location for Miss Brissett?
Oh, absolutely.
Really?
I can send it to you in a minute or less.
Yes, please do.
I don't have sending now.
Alright?
Yeah, send.
Alright, received. Thanks.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah, man.
And another door, Miss Bristol. You know I've been calling Mr. Mullins from the other day and I can't seem to get him. You know if I'm alright?
Boy, King, you know, say Pops MIA though.
MIA?
Yeah, you know. Because, hold on, the King.
Wait.
I don't know what you do. I know him, man.
Oh. Don't look like him knows say you.
Honestly, what go on?
Miss Brissett, could you step out of the car, please?
Something wrong?
Miss Brissett, please.
Everything alright?
And that mega find out, man. And listen, what all of this for?
So Miss Bristol, I want to hear squad in this. I want to go on.
Sir, with all due respect, could you excuse us?
Sure you're alright?
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Let us have a word over there, please. Miss Brissett, based on the information that I received, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to search a vehicle.
Search my vehicle. For what?
This is in relation to the kidnapping at Top Hill.